Hi everybody, Robert here, and we're going to do a new full project. Everybody wants to do a full project. We did our basic house, but this time we're going to do a full project, and what we're going to do today is something a little different. This is Revit 2020, and what I want to do is I want to link in a PDF file of an existing house and create it. So I'm going to show you how to link in the PDF file. So we're going to insert here, and there's our PDF. Let me just cancel that. And here I got some house plans from a house. So I'm going to just select this foundation and I'm going to say open here. Now, what happens here, you get this little dialog box here. You can expand it and you can show resolution and everything. And this dialog box basically shows the plan. But I'm going to cancel this out and I'm going to do something here. I want to go on my elevation view. I don't want to create another level here. I'm going to go to my architecture tab, and I want to create a level. And I'm going to go about 7 feet down, a 7.6, and create another level for my basement, for the foundation. That might make things a little easier for us visually. Actually, let's make this minus 7.6. And then we'll rename this level here. We'll duplicate it. And we'll name this as foundation plan. And we'll say okay there. Now, we're in that plan, so now we want to go in and let's just knock this level 2 down. And I want to open up my south elevation. We want to tile that so we can see what's going on here. Do a ZA to zoom off. So now let's link in that PDF file we had. So I'm going to go to Insert, Link PDF, and I want to grab the foundation plan. And then I want to say OK. So now DPI, let's go all the way up to 600 or whatever you like. And then here we also have the size of the sheet. So let's say OK. And as you can see, Revit is looking for that file on my computer. It's still looking. Okay, sorry about this, folks. Probably should have paused this, but I've got it in a really weird location. That's why it's taking so long, I guess. Oh, I got some other stuff going on. My virus protection. Let me shut that down. But anyway, this is, wow. Sorry about this. I didn't think this would take this long. It normally doesn't. It's pretty straightforward and easy to do this. But, okay, there we go. So these little corners are the corners of the sheet, so I'm going to just drop it right there. So there's our foundation plan on that level. And wow, I might have to do this over, folks. I don't know why this is dragging so like this. Didn't do this before. Okay, now we're in here, and the first thing, let's just knock this down for the time being. So now we're in here, and basically this is on the foundation plan level, and this is the foundation of our house that we're using from this PDF file that I got from a friend whose house is built. He wanted me to do this in Revit one day, and I decided, well, maybe I'll do it today. Okay, now the first thing we want to just go to measure command, and we want to measure a measurement in here to make sure we're at the right scale. So let's go with Let's check this one here. First of all, the measure, we want to cancel that, and we want to select the link, and we want to enable our snaps so I can measure. Then I want to hit this guy, and then I want to measure, see if this is a good one here. See if I can get 64 feet 8 here. So I'm going to go from here to here. And what's that distance? Wow, 129. So we got something wrong here. So I'll escape out of that. So the easiest way to fix that is just go in here. Let's check this horizontal dimension. See what we got here. 57 feet. It's 28. So we got a double off. Things are really big here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my modify tab. I want to hit scale. And all you got to do to scale this guy is to just take the measure command, select here and here. Or another way to do this is to select it. I'm sorry, we got to select the link first. We got the link. We want to scale it. So we'll go from here to here. And we'll just leave this, kind of let this guy hang a bit, and let's say 28 feet 8 inches. Oh, sorry. Wrong symbol there. So it scaled it down. Now, let's do a double check here and see where we are with this dimension. Okay, we're at 28.8. Now maybe we got lucky, and let's see where we get lucky here and this dimensional scale out. So let's go from here to here. 356. Okay, so now we've got our linked PDF file in our project. And now I think let's do some things here. We want to move this over a bit to get it right on center. But this is going to be our foundation. So let's go right here and there. So now, let's get it right dead center here. So let's double check this guy here and make sure we're at its right scale. So from here to here, yeah, we're looking good. So now we got the right scale. So now we're in our foundation plan. So let's go ahead and knock this foundation out right quick in this first video. This is going to be a series of videos because we're going to do this whole house. So now let's go to our structure tab and let's do a wall. Let's do a structural wall. And these walls are 8 inches thick, and they're probably, well, we got some 8 and some 10. So these are 8-inch thick walls. So let's just go in and do let's see if we can find an 8-inch masonry wall here. Okay, let's go with a generic. I always like generic because we can make it generic masonry. And then we'll edit the type. And then we'll see what we got here. We got CMUs here. I don't think that's CMUs. So let's cancel that. Let's just go to generic wall. Let's go with just a straight generic. And then let's edit this type. And then we'll duplicate it. And we'll call it foundation wall. And we'll say okay. And then we'll look at the type of wall in this structure. Let's see what we're going to have. It's going to be concrete. Revit's thinking. Why is it thinking so hard? Well, I like these little thought processes, giving me time to take a breath here. Okay, Revit. Oh, that's probably my virus. Okay. Now here we want to just go with, wow. Sorry, folks. I don't know why this thing is so slow. I don't want to have to do this video. Let's go cast in place gray. Use render appearance. We'll go okay. Wow. Okay. Okay. So let's place this wall here. So now let's go with, we want to go wall center line. So let's go wall exterior face. So that means if I select the exterior face here with my, let's see, you go to here. And I'll go to here. Nope, I want to go wall interior face. Let me undo that, sorry. So we want to go to wall. I'm going to place this wall. So we'll go with wall face interior. Let's see what happens if we try interior. We'll hit the point here. No, I don't think we want to do that. No, we want to do exterior. Sorry, guys. Well, we can even do pick line here if we want, but I want to do it this way. Okay. Wow. So let's go with, and let's do this. Let's make this up to level 1. And then we'll go here and we'll say wall, let's go with exterior. So I should be able to click this point right here. It's not doing it. I want it to go right over that wall, if you can see. So let's just go place a point here. See, it's not going in the right location. Why? Let's try that again. Let's go with wall center. I don't know, maybe the PDF doesn't work this right this way. Let's go with wall. Okay, let me try this again. Exterior face, and maybe I'll put this point here. See what happens if I do it this way. There we go. There we go. That's what I want to see. So we go here, here, that point there. So we just wrap this guy all around. We'll do the foundation in this exercise. And there, there, to there. Now what I'm seeing is this wall size is changed here. That's no problem. We can go back and fix those later on. I think they jumped to 10 inches for some reason here. So let's just take this around and go back and fix those later. And it's just a simple matter of duplicating the walls. So let's go here. Let's go all the way back up to here, to there, to there. Yeah, that's what happened. I can see the little jog there, to there. So now, well, we got these walls here that change thickness. We're gonna have to go in here and make these different thickness. So let's edit this type, let's edit type. Let's duplicate this wall. And let's call it foundation wall 12. Huh, easy. And let's edit this. Maybe that would have been 10. Well, let's say 12 and see what happens. No, it's 10. So let's go back, edit this type again. Let's keep our 12 in there just in case we need another one. Let's duplicate this, and let's call this foundation wall 10-inch. And then we'll edit the type, change this to 10 inches. Okay, there we go. So now let's just match these properties. On the modify match. So let's match this guy with this one and this one. Oops, sorry. This one here. I don't know, this guy probably had this house built already. Oh, we can do this. This is easier. Let's go with the pull down. Let's go with 10-inch. Yeah, I work with this guy. He he had this house built. This was years ago. I don't think he minds me doing this. Type. So we're going to. I'm sorry, my bad, folks. Just get the pull down, do the 10-inch. And let's just align this guy here. Let's just pick it up here and just sort of move it into place. This is another, that's a 10-inch wall foundation. Inch. This is going to be a 10-inch as well. Let's just match these properties here, make this easier. There you go. Okay, so now here, okay, let's fix this right here. For some reason, structurally, the wall changed thicknesses here, so let's just pull this back to this point here. I'm gonna see if I can align this. Modify align. I don't know if I, oh yeah, we can't. Oops, let me see. Yeah, PDFs work pretty good in Revit. Now, that's a good thing because, yeah, that's a lot of work is done in PDF formats and you can't get them in these other formats. So let's grab this guy here. And that is a 10-inch wall. Looks a little, let me just see if I can push that in the shape. Okay, that's good. That's a 10. And this one here, let me modify, match properties. This is a 10 as well. Now, from here to here is a 10. So I'm going to go here. I want to go structure wall. And I'm going to go from this point to this point. And that's not the right size. I want to go at the 10. Sorry, put the wrong one in there, but you can always do this. And then I want to push this up, or I'm see if I can align this guy to this. Get the tab key. There you go. And then this wall, I'm going to bring it down here. I think I can I think I can do this the same. This wall here, I can just move it to this point here. Okay, so there's our, I'm gonna push that up. So we got an issue here. So what happens here, we just disjoin these walls like that. And then I'll just take this guy and push it up to here. And then I'll take this one and bring it back down to this point right here. Okay, now let's go have a look at our 3D view and see how we came out with our found. Well, let's fix this in here. Let's measure this wall, see which wall size we've got to come in here with. So let's go from here to here. It's a 10-inch. So let's do a wall. And we want a foundation wall. We got the 10-inch, and we'll go from this point to this point. Oops, sorry, I want to undo that. Let's go from this point to here, here, and here. Okay, so now there should be our foundation, and let's go look in our 3D view and see where we're at here. And there's our foundation of our house. So guys, I'm gonna leave it here in this video, but we're gonna do a series of videos of a house. I know we did the little easy 1-level house. This is gonna be a 2-level house. So hey guys, thank you for watching my video, and stay tuned for part 2. We get the first level in, and we'll do some structural things in this video. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Any questions or comments or any things that you know that could be done better, let me know. So let's have a look here. Just fine. Realistic. And there's our foundation of our house. We're gonna redo a house in PDF format and do it in Revit. So thanks everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, I think. Yeah. See you in the next video. Bye.